SWIFT, the backbone of global payments, could be gearing up to integrate blockchain. And according to Vanir Assets, the top two contenders are none other than Ripple XRP and Hedera Hashgraph's HBAR. And this could be set to reshape the future of money movement worldwide. Now, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe down below if you have not already. Definitely lock in here because it feels as if the Q4 bull run we've been waiting for could be right around the corner. We've got a ton of catalysts lining up. So when it comes back to Swift, Swift processes more than 11,000 financial institutions transactions across 200 countries daily. But their old infrastructure is struggling. It's struggling to keep up with the demand for real-time, cheap, and secure cross-border payments. And Vanir Assets has reported that Swift is exploring blockchain bridges. And Ripple's XRP ledger, along with Hedera's Hashgraph network, are in the spotlight. And it could be both. It could be one. It could be a multitude of different blockchain solutions. But Ripple has spent years positioning XRP as the ultimate bridge currency for banks. This we know. With its 3-second settlement speed, near zero fees, and adoption through RippleNet and ODL, XRP already has the traction with financial institutions. Plus, XRP just scored major regulatory clarity in the United States, strengthening its case as the go-to asset for global liquidity. Now, when it comes to Hedera Hashgraph, on the other hand, they bring enterprise-grade governance. Backed by a council of giants like Google, IBM, and Boeing, Hedera offers fast, eco-friendly transactions with finality in seconds. HBAR has been gaining traction in tokenization and stablecoin projects the last couple of years, making it a strong contender for enterprise adoption. If Swift chooses to adopt either XRP or HBAR or even both, the global payment rails could shift dramatically overnight. Imagine trillions in daily volume settling on blockchain infrastructure. For XRP holders, this could validate Ripple's long-term vision. For HBAR holders, it could mark Hedera's leap from enterprise experiments to global finance. Now, nothing is confirmed yet, but the fact that Ripple and Hedera are even mentioned in the same breath as Swift shows how serious blockchain adoption has become in the traditional finance world. So let me show you guys this. This is coming in from X, and I'll show you where we're getting this insight here. Swift to choose Ripple or Hedera. Vanir Assets reports that Swift is working to bridge traditional finance with blockchain, highlighting XRP and HBAR as leading contenders in the global payments space. So the screenshot here from Vanir Assets says this development could also benefit crypto-related payment networks such as XRP and HBAR, known for fast, low-cost transfers. It comes alongside Swift's ongoing transition to the ISO 22 standard, which enhances the richness and usability of financial data across borders. This gets into Swift and how they've spent years testing how to link its network of over 11,500 financial institutions with blockchain assets, such as stablecoins, tokenized currencies, and central bank digital currencies. The upcoming trials will shift from controlled testing to real-world implementation with banking partners across North America, Europe, and Asia. Participating banks will gain access to digital wallets for settlement, enabling them to transfer tokenized cash and process payments using systems that resemble blockchain architecture. Features such as gas fee-like transaction costs, shared pricing data, and token-based tracking will increase transparency and efficiency. It says here, today, most digital asset networks operate in isolation, limiting interaction with the traditional banking system. Swift is aiming to change that by acting as a central connector, allowing seamless transactions between banks using both fiat and digital assets. This is why it's big for both XRP and HBAR. You guys can see that's highlighted down here below. But when we think about XRP, it's not just a payment network. RippleNet is that alone enough to make people question the validity of what is happening right now in the TradFi space. And when I look at Ripple, I see some very, very big things coming in the future with tokenization as a service. I've mentioned that for a while now. So we'll continue to be on top of this for you guys as always. Make sure you guys are signing up for the free newsletter. And also, we'll take a look at the XRP chart here in just a minute. We'll take a look at the overall market. But I want to mention iTrust Capital, where you can buy and sell crypto with iTrust. That's right. I've teamed up with iTrust to offer clients an exclusive $100 funding bonus. You can learn how iTrust and their powerful premium custody account and tax advantage crypto IRA platforms can help you build your financial future and save you on tax money. There's a link down below. Check it out. My promo code is Zach7 to check out what iTrust has for all of us. So definitely give that a follow down below and check it out. See if you're looking at a IRA for some of your crypto long term. Bitcoin, Ethereum turned down over the last few days, but it's turning up a little bit here recently today. Ethereum getting close to 4,300 right now, outpacing Bitcoin a little bit here in the last 24 hours. XRP up from about 286 back up to 292. And we do have a few nice movers right now in the market. Chainlink making some nice headway here, up about 7%. Aerodrome Finance, same thing. A couple other assets up here performing pretty well here at the top. And we could see here the market kind of balanced right now, sitting at a $3.87 trillion market cap. It feels as if we're just hanging in the balance, waiting for the next big move to happen. We'll take a look at a couple charts. I was looking at Algorand earlier, but we'll take a look at XRP on the weekly. Things still look very, very good for XRP. Still basically trending sideways here over the past month or so. We've had some little pops in the price here and there, but where we've closed on the weekly, we were right in this range. A couple weeks ago, back in early August, we did close above this range on August 11th, but here today, trying to stay above that 290 range right now. And from the technical standpoint, pretty neutral right now on the summary because the oscillators are showing some momentum up signals, but the moving averages, especially the shorter term time frames from the 50-day, 30-day, 20-day, and 10-day, still showing some sell signals. But if we scroll down, we're still comfortably above the $2.45 level, which is our simple moving average right now on XRP at 245. Our local low that we're watching is 275, where we wick down to briefly, but we're still comfortably above that here on XRP. So things are still looking on the up and up there. And I appreciate you all for watching the video. Let me know your thoughts down below about all of this news related to Swift, XRP, and HBAR. Definitely taking some nice bets on XRP and HBAR. They both fit kind of my narrative in terms of where the institutional money could go next. Let me know your thoughts down below. Again, if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, definitely do so. And we'll see you guys in the next one.